Hello guys. Hello guys. So today we are going with Q. We were demonstrated in the previous session about the Q that Q is an abstract data type, which demonstrate first in first out behavior. And here we are implementing this behavior using array. So we have just made one of the basic example where we will see the queue using arrays. Firstly, we just take the capacity. We take private int capacity, and after defining the capacity, we take an array. So int q array, just like that we have taken it up, and in front and in rear what the element will be, we take it, and what is the current size of the queue. Current size, we put it at 0, and after seeing this, we make a particularly queue array, where you will see that how it is manipulating it. So we just make a method, public queue, queue, just like queue array method, method one. So here we just take it like this, and in this queue method one, we have the initial size of the queue. So we define it, and size of queue. So we have now size of queue. So after that, because it will be having a return type, so that's why this is. So here we will say if this dot capacity basically is equal to size of the queue. So and here front will goes to 0, and rear, because it will be going to the end side, so it will be -1. And q array is basically will be is equal to new int, and it will be we can take it by this capacity. So here we will have the capacity of this after having the queue method. So because it will be implemented here with some return type, it's saying, because we are taking this int size of the queue. So we further just goes with enqueue, where the data will be. So previously we have defined what is enqueue, that it's an option where we insert the element in the queue. So uh, enqueue basically is an operation. It is an operation where where we insert the element into the queue. Where we insert elements in the queue. So this is enqueue. So we will try to make the enqueue now. So so we just place public void enqueue, uh, and we make it enqueue, and after that in this we place some data. And after placing this data there, so we make if it's full, and if NQ is full, then what will happen? Then it will take that it will say that system dot out dot println, it will say that the queue is full and cannot add more elements. So queue is full and cannot add more elements. So after doing this, we will take this propagate to the else, and here we will say if rare we are having this, and we are incrementing the rare. So if we are incrementing it by this way, and then we say that if rare equals to the capacity basically, and capacity is we are decrementing from the capacity, and here the rare is going to 0. What will be the Q array Q array with respect to the rear end? So Q array at the rear end will be there. We will fill the data exactly. So we will put the data there, and we will increment the current size. So we will increment the current size here, and so here we will get some system.out println, and here we will get the data. So here we have got the data, and this added, and this will be added to the queue. So added to the queue. Okay, so after adding to the queue, this we will be saying about the dequeuing process. So if dequeue is happening, so what dequeue is, we already know that it is an operation when we remove the elements from the queue. So it is an operation uh, when we remove elements from the queue. So in the later section we will see that how we are removing the elements from the queue. So kindly like and subscribe my channel, and in the next session we will see that how we are writing the code with respect to dequeue. So thank you.